Hi, recently I have become one of the most important things you need today for survival other than food, water, and shelter. I am a face mask. But how did I become so crucial in everyone's life suddenly that almost every single person is using me and is in my need? Till recent times, you would usually find me bubble wrapped in boxes and lying down with my other friends in the storage houses of hospitals or in any pharmaceutical store. But now, you can find me anywhere and everywhere, from lying in someone's bedroom or to be hanged around umbrellas and keys. You can find me in a mansion and also in a small hut. By the way, all the general stores and even the street vendors are selling me today. My sole reason of existence was to protect the doctors and patients from exchange of germs during a surgery or treatment. But now, I've got the responsibility to protect 7.6 billion souls. I once overheard my owner say that the world is suffering from a global pandemic and the coronavirus, which weighs less than a single gram, has now brought the whole world to a standstill. This is terrifying and magnificent at the same time. Terrifying because economies are crashing, thousands of people are losing their loved ones, the poor are becoming poorer, the human race, which was once traveling every day with very fast aeroplanes and bullet trains, are now forced to walk and work in their own houses. If you see, this pandemic situation is not fully atrocious. It has brought in so many positive and necessary changes in the world. Nature is rejuvenating itself. Many lost species of birds in the cities have returned back. Pollution has dropped by 17%. 17! No matter why the sky looks way more clearer than what it was in January. Companies are understanding that they don't need big offices for the employees to work. Less offices means less vehicles on the road and even lesser pollution. Social distancing and self-quarantine has taught us that we can stay connected to each other even though we are physically disconnected. In all, I can see way more positives to this pandemic situation than the negative ones. I can tell you that we are heading into a better world with a beautiful sunrise. It's not about saving the economy or about any competition. It's about cooperation and compassion with each other. Not only with humans but with all living beings. So, I understand my role in this battle, preventing that 1 gram of germ from entering your body. So keep using me, follow social distancing, and be safe. Don't worry, you can convert those virtual hugs into the real ones once this is over. But this is not the time. Okay, I have to go now because I have a responsibility to fulfill and even you have.